Lucky are those who sleep well for 8 hours straight. For some, getting a proper night's sleep is near impossible, and for many, this involves midnight trips to the fridge. Dealing with insomnia can be really frustrating, and being unable to sleep well for several nights in a row affects everyday life and performance. Fortunately, there is an easy and tasty remedy that can help you get a smooth and sound night's sleep, and it works like a magic. This trick, backed by science, will help you fall asleep almost instantly, dramatically improve the quality and length of your sleep, and wake up refreshed and energetic every day. 30 minutes before going to bed, take a teaspoon of your favorite raw honey with a sprinkle of sea salt and let it dissolve under your tongue. These two ingredients help prepare the body to rest throughout the whole night. The sugar contained in honey elevates the levels of insulin in the blood slightly, which then releases serotonin. When we are in a dark room, serotonin converts to melatonin, which promotes restorative sleep. Honey also contains an adequate amount of glucose, which the liver converts to glycogen for the brain. If there is not enough glycogen to provide fuel for the brain, the adrenal glands dump more stress hormones, namely adrenaline and cortisol. And high amounts of these hormones contribute to disrupted sleep and consequently low energy in your hours awake. Up till now, if you are getting something informative, so subscribe my channel and press the like icon for more videos like this, and let's continue. The other ingredient in this magic mixture is sea salt. Sea salt can also help lower stress hormones such as cortisol. Low levels of sodium can cause blood volume to decrease. The sympathetic nervous system responds by activating adrenaline and triggering the fight or flight response that then makes it difficult to get to sleep and also remain asleep. Salt also helps in the production of energy, so it will be sustained throughout the night. This, in addition to raw honey, reduces the impact of spikes in stress hormones like cortisol that make you wake up in the middle of the night. So tonight, grab your favorite jar of honey, get a nice spoonful and sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt, and look forward to bedtime, knowing that within moments you will be quickly drifting off into a deep restorative sleep. I hope you love this video, and do not forget to subscribe and like. I am Kazim.